Welcome to Learn English Day by Day.
English conversation. Visiting the doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Smith. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I had a fever last night.
Have you been eating and sleeping well?
Not really. I haven't been very hungry, and I'm very tired.
Let me check your temperature and throat.
Okay.
You may have a mild infection.
Is it serious?
I'll give you some medicine.
All right. Thank you, doctor.
Get plenty of rest and drink lots of water.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Take care.